How to turn on or turn off app notifications on the lock screen, notification center, or banners on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down and in the Notification Style section, tap on an app. So for example, I'm going to tap on FaceTime. Next, go to the Alert section and then choose where you want to have your notifications display, so you can turn it on or off for the lock screen. You can choose to show or hide notifications in the notification center. So tap on Notification Center to hide it or to show. The same for banners. If you don't want to have any banners popping up, you can turn it off or you can switch it on to have banners notifications for FaceTime. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.